graph the following linear functions. They given y is equal to 1 by 2 into x. They given is a linear function, y is equal to 1 by 2x. Identify the constant. They asking the k, constant of variation. It's a proportionality constant. I told no, there's a k. I need to find the constant k. I can easily find here itself. K is equal to 1 by 2. I can easily able to find. We will see. And verify it will the graph and verify. First y equal 1 by 2x. I need to put the table. Y is equal to 1 by 2 into x. Y is equal to 1 by 2 into x. So as the division is 2 here, I need to put the x values in two tables up. This is very easy. We're going to put one table 1, 2, 3. You should not put x values as 1, 2, 3 because we're going to put x is equal to 1, 2, 3. The divisions become very, very critical. As the denominator contains 2, this x value should be a 2 table. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It's no problem. You see here, what is x value here? If we're going to put 2 by 2, what is 2 by 2? 1. Put here 4 here, 4 by 2. What is 4 by 2? 2. Put x value as 6 by 2. What is 6 by 2? 3. Put x value as 8 by 2. What is 8 by 2? 8 by 2 is nothing but 4. 10 by 2, last 10 by 2. What is 10 by 2? 5. That's all. Like easily we can do the sum. We don't need to worry about the 1. If we're going to put 1 here, 1 by 2. What is 1 by 2? 0.5. We need to make as y-axis 0.5. This become decimal. So I'm not going to do decimal point. So I can easily put. So I can use in 2 as the denominator contains 2. I'm going to use 2 table as denominator. So I done. After table is nothing but variation. See, x is also increases, y also increases. X increases, comma, y increases. Therefore, it is direct variation. So, next equation. We know equation y by x is equal to k. Y by x is equal to k. What is the equation given here? Y equal to 1 by 2 into x. Y is equal to 1 by 2 into x. Bring down x in the denominator. Y by x is equal to 1 by 2. This x comes down. Y by x is equal to 1 by 2. Now compare both this equation. Y by x. What is k? K is nothing but 1 by 2. This is our k is equal to 1 by 2. This is called constant of variation. This is our first subdivision. So we have found k is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore this is called constant of variation. After equation, nothing but points. What is the points? Point is nothing but, what are the points here? 2, 1, 4, 2, 6, 3, 8, 4 and 10, 5. After points, they are asking to find. This find we will see afterwards after plotting the diagram. So we have drawn a graph here, x dash, x, y dash and y. Scale, if we are going to see the points, here 2 to 10 only, no problem. Here 1 to 5 only. So we can use one table itself for x and y axis. X axis used one table, 1 to 10. Y axis used one table only. So what is the first point? See here, 2, 1. The first point is 2, 1. This is 2, this is 1. The first point is 2, 1. The second point 4, 2. The next point 6, 3. 4, 2. This is 4, 2. Next point is 6, 3. 6, 3. After 8, 4, I think so. We will check, no problem. 8, 4 only. 8, 4, 10, 5. 8, 4 and 10, 5. This is 10, 5. So now join this line. I have joined this line. That's all. What is the equation? Y is equal to 1 by 2 into x. This must you need to put. Y is equal to 1 by 2 into x. So after drawing, see, we need to mark the points. I need to find y when x equal to 9. When x is equal to 9, where is x is equal to 9? See, this x is equal to 9. This x axis, no, x is equal to 9. It stretches, it stops here. We want to stop here and we need to stretch this side. When x is equal to 9, 4 to 5. 4 to 5, what is the point here? 4.5. So answer is 4.5. When when x equal to 9 is 4.5. Next, I need to find x when y equals 7.5. When y equals 7.5, see, after 7 and 8, this point is nothing but 7.5. This point is nothing but 7.5. So, see the problem here. If you see 7 and 8, in between 7 and 8, 7.5 comes. If I am going to draw the line, see very carefully, if I am going to draw the line, it is not cutting our line, it is not touching the straight line. So, we need to extend this point. Are we going to extend? By putting some more point. By putting some more point. What is the point I am going to put? The point is nothing but 12. If I am going to put x, 12 by 2 is 6. Next, another point I am going to put nothing but 14. 14 by 2 is nothing but 7. This is also not enough, I think so. So, next point is nothing but 16. 16 by 2 is nothing but 8. So, we added 2 more points. What are the points? At 10, 5. After 10, 5, 12, 6. After 12, 6, 14, 7. 14, 7. Next, 16, 8. So, I need to plot the point. This is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The last point I get is 16. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Last one I get is 16. So, I need to make a clarification of this sum. Next, 12, what is the point? 12, 6. This is a point 12, 6. 12, 6. After 12, 6, nothing but 14, 7. 14, 7. This is a point 14, 7. Next is 16, 8. This is a point 16, 8. So now stretch the straight line. I am going to stretch this straight line. Stretch the straight line. After stretching straight line, now I can extend this line and see where it meets here. It meets at 15. It meets at 15. So see, because sometimes the point we put is not enough for us. If we stretch in 7.5, it meets at 15. If it comes down, what is the answer here? 15. So I need to put answer is 15. Is 15. So check students carefully. Sometimes the point is not sufficient for us. That time we need to make some more points and we need to extend the line.